And by Child Group Wealth Management. Let us guide you. And by the Gehring Group, a premier insurance brokerage. Now here's all the local business news from the lemonade stand to the boardroom.
Hello everyone, I'm Christine Christofek, and thanks for helping us launch a beautiful new year. Coming up on the South Florida Business Report, longtime West Palm Beach citrus retailer Alan Cushman hits the jackpot on QVC's shopping network. A Delray Beach restaurant operator is busted on a sales tax rap. And South Florida remains the con capital of the civilized world. We'll tell you why. We'll have all this in the top local business news after these messages.
Palm Beach, the intelligent choice.
Add a little sparkle to your home during City Furniture's New Year's sale. Get a complete 7-piece queen bedroom, $7.99. A bonded leather reclining sofa, $5.99. A 5-piece dining set, just $3.99. Shop online anytime at cityfurniture.com and enjoy same-day delivery and no interest for 18 months. Happy New Year from City Furniture.
When you're on the go, Dial gives you live TV straight to your mobile device. So go ahead. Watch top broadcast stations, local and national news, entertainment and sports.
Here we go,
without the need for a data plan or internet connection.
And the winner is
Dial. It's live mobile TV. And now your Android and Apple devices can use Dial with the AudioBox mobile TV receiver. Available at Amazon.
Save tens of thousands of dollars on exotic and luxury vehicles at Chariots of Palm Beach. Our experts will assist you in finding your next pristine automobile. Buy, lease, or rent. Chariots of Palm Beach, the intelligent choice.
You're watching CBS 12.
And topping our broadcast, longtime West Palm Beach citrus retailer Alan Cushman made his annual appearance on the QVC Home Shopping Network marketing his Honeybell oranges. And Cushman hit the jackpot last Sunday by selling nearly 71,000 boxes in 2 hours at an average of $36 a box. Cushman and QVC have a long-standing relationship, and more than 10 million Honeybell oranges have been sold by the network, which boasts 1 million viewers per showing. Delray Beach restaurant operator Wendy Rosano was arrested last Sunday and charged with failing to pay $200,000 in sales tax. Rosano ran the popular Italian eatery Cucina Mio in Delray Beach before it lost its lease, then teamed up with a New York dining veteran to launch the Tierra Fiamma restaurant in the Delray marketplace west of the city. South Florida resorts picked up some big money over this New Year's week. The Breakers in Palm Beach ran a special getaway deal at $770 a night, while down the way, the Boca Raton Resort ran its package price at $639 per night. Key West hotels sold out at a relatively meager $472 per night. Bitter cold snaps in northern markets sparked heavy traffic into South Florida. The digital age has greatly influenced broadcasting, so coming up next, Business Report producer David Weir talks with broadcasting veteran Mike Rajewski, who heads up this station's sales force. But before we get Mike's take on TV's new era, Dave asked him how long he'd been in the business.
Well, I'm actually a second-generation broadcaster. My father was in the business, so he was moving the family around my whole life. Went to school not knowing what I wanted to do, and graduated with a communications degree, and just started sending my resume out to TV stations across the country. Started off as an assistant in Raleigh, North Carolina, and 7 TV stations later, here I am.
Yeah, and we want to welcome you to CBS 12 with all your expertise and experience. That's really terrific.
Appreciate
what
it, yeah.
you're doing. Where you came from, Sacramento.
Absolutely, yes.
Sacramento, that's about, what size market was it?
It's market size 20. We're here, we're 38 out of 210 in the country, so fairly sizable markets. Yeah, spent 8 years at a duopoly out there in NBC and my network. duopoly, and just had a great time, and wanted to move my family back to Florida. We were living in Florida before we moved out to California, so it's nice to be back.
You're right. Well, I'm glad you're back, man. Listen, in the television broadcasting industry, as we well know, as we are, with all the online and digital situations that have exploded in the last 5 or 6 years, how's that affecting the operations of a television industry right now?
Well, it's actually bringing more people to the television. People are consuming more television today than they did 5 years ago, and it's kind of counterintuitive seeing what happened with newspaper and radio diminishing as people were getting more of their news online. People have different options now, so they're setting their DVRs, which is allowing them to consume more television. They can watch television on their tablets. They can stream it over the internet, and you can actually watch CBS 12 now with a little device called Dial on your smartphone. So you can pick up free over-the-air television on your smartphone. So it's actually allowed us to extend our brand onto multiple different platforms than just the traditional television stream.
Well, with you handling being the general sales manager of the station, do you happen to have a digital sales department to handle some stuff?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. We call it a 3-screen approach now. We want to get the consumer at any point in the day. So when they're at home, they're watching television.
Right.
When they're out and about, they're on their smartphones, they're shopping, they're on the smartphones. When they're at work, more people have a better internet connection at work than they do in their own home. So we find a lot of our online traffic to CBS12.com comes throughout the workday. So we're trying to reach people with news and information wherever they need it, and we call it the best available screen theory. If you're at home, you're not going to want to watch a movie on your smartphone, but if you're standing in line at the grocery store, you're doing all kinds of things on your smartphone. So people will gravitate to the best screen that they have available depending on where they are.
Well, you know, here at CBS 12, you know, we're very updated on stuff like this, and you're leading the pack because you know, my generation, it's a little difficult to comprehend all this, but with your generation, you know, this is everyday stuff, and that's what's terrific.
Yeah, and the generation that's coming after us, it's frightening how adept and how quickly they're adopting these new technologies. Our news app has been fantastic and has grown in popularity. Our weather app, we just launched, I think last year, has grown in popularity, and we're coming out with more products down the road. They've already got additional releases in the pipeline.
Oh, that's true. Well, listen, speaking of all the launches and stuff like that, we got a terrific deal coming up. What's that all about?
Yes, March 1st, we've got the Health and Wellness Experience. We've partnered with the Sun Sentinel and the city of Boca Raton to put on a free-to-the-public one-day event at Meisner Park Amphitheater. So we're going to have things for the entire family. There's going to be health and wellness, and the majority of it is going to be about your physical health and wellness, but we'll have a section for your financial health and wellness, your pets' health and wellness, your kids' health and wellness. A lot of activities, a lot of entertainment. It should be a great event for the community. Free to the event, to the community, as well as for businesses to get involved and get some one-on-one grassroots interaction with potential customers.
Yeah, speaking of the pets thing, our noon pets segment on the noon news is absolutely fantastic. We got a tremendous response on it.
People love their pets. It's a multi-billion-dollar-a-year business. The amount of money that people spend their disposable income on toys and medical, your veterinary bills, it's nothing to sneeze at. It's a big business.
Well, listen, Mike Krajitsky, thanks a lot for being here.
Hey,
welcome.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Yeah, welcome to South Florida, back in South Florida again. God bless you. And thanks and welcome aboard CBS 12. I know you'll do a terrific job.
Thanks for having me.
All right. And stay with us. We'll return right after these words.
Your drink refill can wait. This is something you're definitely going to want to hear. Right now at Vista BMW, you can own the popular 328i for just $399 a month. And that is not a lease, you own it at Vista BMW in Coconut Creek and Pompano Beach.
I love fashion. I want these shoes and these shoes. I used to think high fashion only came with a high price tag. So when I saw America's Best Designer Sale, I couldn't believe it. I can get 2 pairs of eyeglasses for $69.95 with a free eye exam. And with the Designer Sales collection of frames, I was sold. I want this one and this one, designer frames and low prices. Yes, please. Call 1-800-2PAIR to schedule an appointment today. Sale ends soon.
Have you been cheated? Getting the runaround? Got a problem you need help with?
Have no fear. Stephanie is here. CBS 12's Stephanie Watson is the one to turn to solve your situation. She's taking names, righting wrongs, and getting results.
Thank you, Stephanie and Channel 12.
Email me your problem to StephanieSolvesIt@cbs12.com. I'll get to the bottom of it.
Stephanie Solves It, only on CBS 12 News.
Let's see, chips, nachos, wings, pizza. That got your attention, huh? Well, you need more than food for the perfect tailgating party. You need the tailgate. Choose from over 300 of them at the Vista Pre-Owned Supercenters in Coconut Creek and Pompano Beach or VistaSupercenter.com.
Ensuring South Florida remains the con capital of the civilized world, 10 men were busted last week by the FBI in a mortgage loan scam. Some of the men charged were Greg Small of Boynton Beach, Brian Floridor of Delray Beach, and ex-con Jason Vatulano of Boca Raton. The scam operated out of a boiler room in Boca Raton and clipped homeowners for about $7 million in promised loan modifications that never happened. And the Miami Dolphins wrapped up their season with a miserable performance that will surely cut into next season's ticket sales. The team's lackluster record ended with a disappointing loss to the underdog New York Jets that forced them out of the playoffs. Disgruntled fans will be heading for the exits when tickets go on sale. Sports marketing pros predict the Dolphins will take about a $2 million hit on lost sales. And speaking of football, the Fox network will gross an estimated $240 million televising this year's Super Bowl on February 2nd. 30-second spots within the game are going for a record $4 million, while spots in the digital streaming of the game are hitting the $250,000 price range. Fox affiliates in West Palm Beach and Miami will pocket an estimated $1.5 million combined on the telecast. And the Wall Street Journal reported that the worst of an avalanche of taxes created by Obamacare that went into effect on Wednesday targets, as predicted, small business. The tax has been levied on insurance premiums for South Florida's small businesses, self-employed and individuals, and will most certainly be passed on to consumers in the form of higher premiums. Government officials say this Obamacare tax, among many, will rock covered workers for about $500 in hiked premiums. And Port Everglades revealed it saw 3.5 million cruise passengers ending fiscal year September 30th. That was off 200,000 from the previous year. The port expects 3.7 million travelers this year with 846 ship calls. The Port of Miami posted 4 million passengers passing through its terminals last year, while the Port of Palm Beach registered 550,000 passengers. All three ports expect increases in cargo handling this year. And while we're on the subject, Oceania Cruise launches a one-of-a-kind cruise next week. Its 684-passenger ship, the Insignia, will depart from Miami for a luxury 180-day cruise around the world, the first ever for the length of a cruise. The voyage was sold out in less than 8 hours at $45,000 per person, with a ton of extras during the sailing that will probably double the fare. Tickets for the second cruise, slated for January 15th of next year, are on sale. And still ahead on the business report, 3 area banks are off life support, and South Florida's major airports show a healthy increase in passengers. So stay with us.
Room after beautiful room. Every room at Rooms To Go is unbeatably priced during our amazing January sale. Get incredible bargains on clearance items, specially reduced sale prices on Cindy Crawford Home, the new Sofia Vergara collection, and ultimate TV packages. Savings at Rooms To Go Kids, plus finance interest-free until January 2017. No money down, no minimum purchase, no interest. So come on, we have to move it all out. Hurry to the Rooms To Go January sale today.
When the doctor called us from the hospital and told us that Dad had fallen, my heart nearly stopped. Thank goodness he was okay. I didn't want Dad to be alone anymore. That's when we called Complete Home Care. They sent a registered nurse who came out that day. Complete Home Care was great about setting up a plan that worked with our insurance and within our budget.
To learn more about Complete Home Care, call today. Complete Home Care, a local Medicare and private duty home health agency.
Take my hand and start a brand new day. And together as one we'll start to see some change.
Underneath everything we are, underneath everything we do, we are all people, connected, interdependent, united. And when we reach out a hand to one, we can influence the condition of all. That's what it means to live united.
Breaking news, in-depth reports, exclusive stories, on air, online, on the go, anytime, anywhere. CBS 12 is the one to turn to.
It's a new year on an all-new Bethany. Mario Lopez serves up the sexy. What do you think about sex at 40 versus sex at 30?
I feel like I'm hitting my stride.
And Real Housewife Dina Manzo is here.
Monday at 3 on CBS 12.
Coming up next, we'll explore the business behind medicine when Business Report producer David Weir talks with one of South Florida's top ENT physicians, Dr. Suresh Raja. Dave asked Dr. Raja about the latest innovations in sinus treatment.
Doctor, what's the latest innovative treatment in your practice?
I would say the balloon sinuplasty procedure it's an office-based procedure where we dilate the natural openings of people's sinuses so they can breathe better and have less headaches.
Well, okay, do you go into the nose type of thing?
Sure. We use a little telescope and we use a device that has technology very similar to how they stretch heart blood vessels, in particular the coronary angioplasty.
Has it got a camera on? Can you look in there?
No, we look with one hand with the camera, and then the other device is for the other hand, and we take a very small fiber optic wire, something that can't even break an egg yolk, and we pass it up into the natural openings of people's sinuses, and we can confirm it because the light is lighting up in the face where the sinus is located, and then we dilate it gently to open their natural outflow tracts.
Okay, so you can see in the sinus cavities what's going on and all that stuff.
Well, the light itself helps us find the way because it's quite a labyrinth in there.
Well, what are some of the symptoms that your patients come to you with?
Well, they're pretty miserable. They can't breathe, they can't sleep, they have terrible front of the face and back of the head headaches, they have a lot of discharge from their nose, they're just miserable.
And so when after they come to you, they're not miserable.
Well, I'd like to think so. This procedure has been pretty revolutionary, and we've had some excellent results.
Well, what's the recovery time with this thing?
It's very minimal. It is completely different than traditional endoscopic sinus surgery. I've had a patient fly in from Canada and fly back the same day. Patients typically will go back to work the next day with very minimal bleeding, very minimal pain, very minimal congestion, just totally different than what it used to be. No packing, nice and easy.
Well, listen, to change the subject a little bit, you get involved with allergies and so forth. What type of practice does that involve?
I would say that when you talk about helping people's noses work better and their sinuses work better, you really can't do that without having a complete allergy practice. So we have a full-service allergy clinic. We provide testing. We also provide weekly shots, and we also do sublingual immunotherapy. And the latest is food testing, which I believe will be the next frontier.
Food testing? Well,
sure.
Well, how do you do that?
Well, I would say in this age, people are eating a lot of processed foods, and I think people do have a lot of undetected food allergies. We're working with the next generation food testing that's going to be much more accurate. Of course, it will include the gluten, dairy, egg, all the peanuts, things like that, but very much more complete. We're using a different technology.
Well, can you tell, if I come in, I don't know, something's wrong with you, but I don't know what it is. Can you tell if I'm allergic to broccoli or something like that?
With the blood test, we can't can't do that right away. With skin testing, which is more for environmental, what's in the air, we can tell you right away. We can check you right then and there and see what you're allergic to. Sure.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
Well, listen, how long have you been doing it with the do you know, you're ENT specialist, you kind of, you know, left the T and the E around on the sideline, so how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing sinus surgery for close to 20 years, and the issue with this balloon sinuplasty is I don't really visit the operating room anymore. I'm doing strictly the balloon sinuplasty in my office and helping patients much more than I used to.
Yeah, that's got to be a lot better.
Well, it's been...
it's less costly for the...
I believe that it is. It's most of the time it's a copay, and you know, you don't have to buy all those over-the-counter medications anymore, or visit those urgent care centers, or take time off and go to the doctor with this procedure, because it makes your nose better.
Yeah, well, how long does it take, this whole procedure?
It takes about 20 minutes to do the procedure, and 20 minutes to prep the nose and 20 minutes for recovery, so about an hour. And we offer intravenous sedation. We're the first people in the state of Florida to be able to offer that, so you can be completely asleep and you don't have to remember anything. We also offer oral sedation, which is basically pill form, and we also offer local anesthetic just to make the central part of your face very numb. So we offer a lot of different types of anesthesia, but all in all, it's about a 1-hour procedure.
Okay, and you don't have to do this in the hospital, which is terrific.
No, much easier to plan. No blood work beforehand. You just can't be on blood thinners. It's really been fantastic all around. Everything about it has been fantastic. It's changed my practice.
Well, God bless you, Dr. Raja, for getting involved in this new innovative practice. It's helping a lot of people in South Florida and elsewhere. You know, you got guys coming in from Canada. That's terrific.
Sure. Thank you, David. Thank you very much for having me. I appreciate it.
All righty, Doc. And stay with us. We'll return right after these words.
I'm CBS 12 Suzanne Boyd, and we're excited to partner with the Sun Sentinel to bring an amazing event to South Florida. On March 1st, the CBS 12 Sun Sentinel Health and Wellness Experience will take place at Meisner Amphitheater in Boca Raton. We'll offer free health screenings, a variety of options for living a healthier lifestyle, and fun activities for young and old alike. So save the date, and if your organization would like to get involved, contact CBS 12 or the Sun Sentinel today.
CBS 12 News solves problems.
When Riviera Beach tenants were forced to live in unfit conditions, they contacted CBS 12.
We can't have water here. We can't have lights here.
That's when our own Chuck Weber stepped in to help, placing a call to the mayor explaining the situation.
It's not good.
Soon after, arrangements were made at a motel for the families to stay while they look for a new place to live, getting results for you.
That's why CBS 12 is the one to turn to.
Watching your sister go through withdrawal is the last thing you expect to do. You hope she gets past it, but worry she'll relapse. The story of addiction is all too familiar, but you can change it.
That's 2 out of 3.
If you or someone you know is in recovery from addiction, share your story with the partnership at drugfree.org, because your story can change someone else's.
CBS 12 News partnering with Palm Healthcare Foundation for the Let's Move Physical Activity Challenge in January.
We're asking you to commit to just 30 minutes a day of physical activity.
Go to CBS12.com to learn more.
Let's move for better health.
Next ET, TV's 600-pound woman and her New Year's resolution to drop the weight.
I really hate being this size.
And the star who rung in the new year with no makeup. Next ET.
Monday at 7 on CBS 12.
Three South Florida banks on the critical list have now dodged the regulatory bullet. Grand Bank and Trust in West Palm Beach is now profitable after almost being torpedoed by bad real estate loans. Legacy Bank in Boca Raton picked up a major cash infusion to starve off federal seizures. And Anchor Commercial Bank in Juno Beach was saved from life support by a Latin American investor group. Piper Aircraft in Vero Beach revealed it's delivered 127 airplanes in the first 3 quarters of last year. That was up a healthy 10% compared to the previous year. Total revenue for the period reached $114 million, up 7% from 2012. Increased sales are expected to continue throughout this year. Piper is owned by the government of Brunei and employs over 800 people at its Vero Beach plant site. South Florida's 3 major airports saw a boost in traffic for last year. Miami hit a record 40 million passengers, while Fort Lauderdale International saw 23.6 million travelers pass through the gates. PBIA posted 5.6 million passengers for its fiscal 2013 year after losing nearly 100,000 filers in the previous 2 years. The positive trend is expected to continue through this year. The Florida Bar announced 3 area lawyers were hit with sanctions recently. West Palm Beach attorney Jake Rose was disbarred for overcharging fees and failing to show up at court hearings. Tequesta lawyer Bob Cook was suspended 90 days in a credit card scam, and Boca Raton attorney Eric Simon had his ticket yanked for 3 months in a $49,000 condo development dispute. And that wraps up this week's edition of the South Florida Business Report. Stop by next week for the only show devoted to the local business community right here on CBS 12. For more information on our show, to see the latest business headlines, or to watch the show anytime, visit our website at sfbreport.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time.
The South Florida Business Report has been brought to you as a community service by Florida Blue in the pursuit of health, and by Child Group Wealth Management. Let us guide you. And by the Gehring Group, a premier insurance brokerage.
Thanks, guys.
Add a little sparkle to your home during City Furniture's New Year's sale. Get a complete 7-piece queen bedroom, $9.99. A bonded leather